In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your password on Etsy. Whether you're just starting out on Etsy or it's simply time to reinforce your store's security, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Updating your password regularly is a good practice to keep your account secure, and I'll ensure that you understand each step clearly. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. Once you're on the Etsy homepage, you'll want to navigate to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon, typically located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Now, a new page should open, revealing several tabs on the left-hand side. Here, you should see a section labeled Security. Go ahead and click on Security. Now that you're in the Security section, look for the Change Password option. It's usually prominently displayed as Etsy prioritizes the safety features for your account, making it easier to locate. Click on Change Password, and this will bring up the fields where you'll need to input your information. At this point, you'll see fields requesting your current password and your new password. Take a moment to think about a new password that would be both strong and memorable. A good password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Enter your current password in the first field to confirm your identity, then type in your new password in the second field. Remember, your new password should be different from previous ones to maximize your security. Once you have confirmed and carefully entered your new password, the final step is to save the changes. Usually, you'll see a button below the password fields labeled Save Changes or Update Password. Clicking this will finalize your password update. If your new password meets Etsy's security requirements, your changes will be saved and you'll receive a confirmation notice. In summary, it's a straightforward process. Navigate to your account settings, head over to the Security tab, and change your password there. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Be sure to store it in a safe place or consider using a password manager to keep track of it securely. And there you have it. Updating your password is an essential step in safeguarding your Etsy account. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, Etsy's support team is a great resource. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to enhance your Etsy experience.